know how you guys feel to be in. Do you know how you feel to be in America for the first time in your life?
It looks ghetto so far.
Fuck you. And what about you?
This is my second time.
And
Flare, you're like
you have to go down.
No go down, no go down yet.
Flare on the
Go
blood clot,
down,
go
go
down.
down.
Not
Go
yet,
down.
not yet.
Not
Wait
now,
till
you
we
know,
return.
go down.
Wait till we return.
You need to go down today. Today, we don't need to go down.
Oh yeah, he's coming to get us.
So, we're waiting on our ride. It's very cold in New York City.
It's not cold.
I'm cold. And I'm starving. Where are we going?
I am.
I am.
I want to see the place where it's Queens,
160.
Brooklyn.
It says 165.
Tuckahoe Road. Oh, y'all not even close to that shit, yo.
Oh, you live close?
Y'all not even close to that shit. That's over the bridge.
Oh shit.
That's Bronx.
Oh.
Chill out over here.
No. Me and my kids, we go back. We left that at the home.
My company built we did this work right here. Yeah. All the electrical work. I'll know them now rent this shit down. Get that shit, you know. Water tank.
What's his name?
All the time it's up.
Yeah, I was going to say, was it rather.
We like this, but we don't want to Which one this? It's a breakfast for me. We want a breakfast for me.
Where's that?
Oh, I was looking at it.
Come, ready? I can't do nothing. We're in. Where people them want me something them already in a Walmart and America people. Nothing like this.
This is ghetto behavior.
Very ghetto.
This is not demure.
Not giving them
It's
your
not cutesy.
not cute. Not cutesy.
Oh, lotions, guys. Oh, we're looking for the oils.
Yeah.
Yeah, different kind of criminal. The thief with that car.
Your teapot.
Hell no, you're crazy. Man. You can't stand my embarrassment there.
Oh, you see if you can after you can.
Not a culture.
Yeah. Just when
Yo,
I
it's a
know
good thing, yo.
Walmart in America.
That motherfucker just scored a while ago. Let's find out how to get the money. Cause yo, I always lose. I never really win yet, but I always come
Canada
close.
is different.
Yo, last week, I left on 504. One team with the lose, yo, man. Tell other teams.
So, how much you win?
We're going to Target! Target!
In 200 and change gambling.
Don't spend my liquor money. Ain't
Long Island, this one?
Where? Here?
Here's the call, Long Island.
Different police, the Queens with different Long Island, the border. Different police over here.
Oh. Target Day. Hi, Target Day. How you guys feel to spend all your US in Target? Huh? We not look for no clothes or nothing, no people. Go to the body care oil. Word blows. Kid stuff, right? I'm only looking for body care and skin care. No clothes, nothing, okay? I maybe get a stuff doll for Nora.
I like Joe Fresh.
Good one? Good. Okay, body care. Let's go find body. Feminine care. No. Oh, got that. Oh Jesus, we're gonna make them done. Come. Take up them a little girl.
You want the primary?
Yes.
And
Yeah.
Which
pose the which other thing?
Till them there two there.
one is mine?
Let me take one. The one we have. Let me outside.
This is what I took a plane for. Did we get the coconut water? But which one she gave me? She gave me one.
Give me one, but no remember which
Is
one.
it fresh and cozy? They change the size?
Yeah, they did that. What else she did?
It was $9.99
sorry.
in Canada.
How much is it?
You remember when it was $9.99 in Canada?
How much is it now?
$9.99 in US. I said
It's $12. Only one. This one.
it's $19. Took a plane for an hour and 45 minutes.
So yeah, give me two.
Two, yeah, and one oil for you.
Three different.
Three,
You
no.
have three and this time you have three of that.
Yeah.
I think she have one there.
Get this
Okay.
and try it. It's an
The
oil.
one where they give me
And do a review.
One way.
$11.99.
A fresh and cool.
I thought they would have more genuine. But I always want to try the cocoa.
Have patience. God said to have patience. Don't pay attention to other people's things. Now we wait for a minute.
So, what do you guess in our bellies? Huh? What's the bill?
$200.
Canadian?
US.
200 US. Danielle, I need you to e-transfer me all the money you have in your account. I'm dying.
Daniel, we are stranded.
It's giving fall. I'm in love with Target.
Me
would
too.
come
Oh, up
here
the Target.
and spend all my
That comes
money.
to Canada.
Is this beautiful? Have this secure. That's gonna take all my money and my paycheck. Sitting very demure.
Very cute.
Very cute. Very cute.
You know, this show.
We done? Let's cash out before we leave here without even Canadian dollars.
PayPal.
You getting through?
Maybe you close more, don't get fat.
You hear that, guys? Close mouth, don't fed. So beg for what you want, and you shall receive.
See?
One,
Get one free.
buy two get one free. Is it the candles too?
How much for one though?
$8.99.
Is it for the scrubs too?
Beloved care item and scented candle.
I can do.
And beloved body care item.
Mango
And
extra shea butter. This must smell good.
Target, you have my heart.
She said body. This a body butter. Sana is
I know
scrub
this.
this.
I said these are the ones.
Me
But
I
I
get-
thought these were in Superstore.
They're in a superstore.
Walmart have them.
Where we have to take a picture outside. We have coffee show. They most of them are getting up.
It's right over there. Look at that. Hey, oh, forgot to know that. I think I'm down.
How you feel? Finally. After how many hours of being in here? Since 9:30 this morning. It's what time now? After 4?
3:55.
Come on, team, I'll take it up here. Thank you so much, brother.
Thank you, bro.
Body care, skin care. Smell. See if we can find a rich sugar daddy. Which one? Janelle, at this we see.
The royal stairs.
Yeah.
It looks nice
Beautiful. Let's see something. You're tired. Tired.
Theirs is the famous for the wood.
Tired.
I'm good.
I'm tired.
Janelle, no shut yet.
No time.
It was like, huh? Okay, let's start
So you can get 3 free complimentary beverage vouchers for the restaurant. You can get anything from beer, coffee, wine, or tea for free. They're only valid for tonight, and the restaurant closes at 1.
Okay, so tonight we're getting drinks, girls.
Okay, thank you. Oh gosh, Janelle, I'm so really appreciate that you take time to get to
Wow.
big up you, brother. What you want? Welcome to our humble apartment for the next 2 nights. Big check.
Lights. Shower. Her beds. I call dibs on this one.
We call dibs for anyone. You better know who I sit or not.
I call dibs on this one. We got coffee, we got TV, free Wi-Fi. The view outside is amazing. Houses. And we're going to pull this down. See, so give me away. We have a little fridge here and storage area. We put our Pepsi in. We're tired.
Because you
We are tired.
exhausted now.
Aren't you tired? That's the end of tonight's vlog. We're gonna sleep and then look something to eat after. So we go downstairs to the bar. Bye.